Hello, I am Dr. Stephen, and welcome to Gentle Health. Today, I want to speak directly to women over the age of 60. Many believe that aging means losing strength, slowing down, and depending more and more on others. But the truth is, your body can gain energy and vitality at any stage of life if you give it the right kind of movement. You do not need a gym or expensive equipment. With a few simple exercises that can be done at home, you can protect your muscles, your bones, your heart, and even your mind. The first exercise is the squat. For women, strong legs are especially important because they support balance, make daily activities easier, and prevent falls. Squats strengthen the thighs, hips, and glutes. At first, you can hold onto a sturdy chair or table for support. Gently bend your knees as if you are sitting, then return to standing. If that feels difficult, simply sit down and stand up from a chair repeatedly. This simple movement helps you move with confidence and maintain independence. The second exercise is balance training. Balance gives women the freedom to walk without fear and enjoy life without constant worry of tripping or falling. Start by standing on one leg while holding onto a chair or staying close to a wall. Aim for 30 seconds on each side, and then increase to 1 minute as you get stronger. Balance training also benefits the brain. Studies show it improves memory, mental clarity, and even lowers the risk of dementia. The third exercise is for the calves, sometimes called the second heart. When you rise up onto your toes, your calves pump blood back toward your heart, improving circulation. Weak calves can lead to swelling, varicose veins, and even dangerous blood clots. Try lifting your heels 10 to 15 times at first, then build up to more. This exercise is simple but powerful and should be practiced every day. The fourth exercise is the hip raise, also called the glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Hold for a few seconds and then lower down. This movement strengthens the hips and lower back, improves posture, and reduces back pain, issues that many women face as they age. The final exercise is the side leg raise. Stand tall, hold onto a wall or chair, and slowly lift one leg out to the side. This strengthens the muscles of your hips, giving you more stability and safer steps. Together, these 5 simple exercises form a complete routine that protects strength, balance, posture, and circulation. They take only a few minutes each day, but the results are life-changing. Imagine walking with steady steps, standing tall, and moving with ease. These movements can bring back confidence, independence, and the freedom to enjoy life fully at any age.